In this short video, we'll show you how to register for SMS. To begin, click Channels and choose SMS from the drop-down. From there, click Add SMS. Choose how many SMS messages you'll roughly want to send each month, then click Add SMS. Once you've added it to your account, you then need to register for your sending number. Click Start Registration to begin. Then, fill out your business information. Your business information needs to match what is on your tax forms. If they don't match, your SMS registration will be rejected. Next, add your SMS terms. Mobile carriers require SMS-specific terms of service and privacy policy documents. We can either generate them for you, or you can upload your own. Next, mobile carriers ask to see example texts you might send. We wrote some for you, but you can customize them as needed. Lastly, review all of your information. Make sure everything is correct and edit as necessary. Click the checkbox to agree to our terms and conditions, and then click Submit Registration. Your registration has now been submitted and can take up to 5 to 7 business days to be approved. Once your registration is approved, you can begin creating SMS communications. While you're waiting to be approved, check out our next video tutorial on how to generate SMS subscribers.